I love you.
You have to clean out Dad's truck. Oh, here comes the Impala.
Oh, he's really chewing on.
No.
Oh, he was going after your bucket.
Where's the Impala?
He's right over here.
He's
He's
right.
like
Oh, he's
going
coming
towards
after me.
Dad's
Don't you look
side.
at me like that. I ain't got. I don't got nothing.
Hi. Did you like?
Oh,
Can-
Freddie on your side.
That's like Casey right there. Oh, you scared him.
Here comes the third one.
We're being surrounded. Oh, Charlie, it's behind you. You thought you had something.
There.
Hold on, can you? I guess I'll feed one. Be careful, don't get my thumb. Don't get my thumb. I'm afraid to feed him with my hands. That's a, oh, there's a big cow coming up behind us now too.
Oh,
Hey,
there's
you.
a white one.
Charlie, there's
behind
definitely
you.
one right behind you.
Oh, there.
I'm not sure if I like him sneaking up behind me. You see the cow?
Here you go, Impala.
Oh!
Hi, Jen.
Oh, hello, sweet baby.
I'm
I
not
just
sure if
wanted
I'm
to
getting
pet you,
or
bro.
He gave you such attitude.
No, he did. Look at that attitude.
Look at that.
So sassy.
This one.
That's a water. Is it a water bug? No, that's
I
not
don't
a
know
water
what it
bug.
is.
No. Oh, the Impala. Did you get to feed the Impala?
I threw it at you.
There you go.
I didn't. The llamas didn't let us get close.
They're too small for the truck, I think. We have to bend down to get
Such a sweetie. Baby.
I see.
Look at your sweet baby.
Meanwhile, Charlie.
Hello.
I like how I can record Jen and Charlie at the same time, and probably you a little bit too.
Oh, your colors are beautiful.
Can you
Oh,
can you
we're
pet them?
leaving.
Like, is that a thing? Can you touch them?
Yes, they let you touch them.
Do they?
Yes.
I'm a little. This one likes Charlie Ray. I touched it.
Okay.
There you go.
Yeah.
There's some more in the car behind
Okay,
you.
bye.
There you go.
Go get some from them. They've got some too.
Bye. He likes me. I like you too. You want to come home with me?
Oh Lord.
Casey, what did I tell you?
Oh, I know, right?
You want to come home with me? Be my friend?
How big is the whole the track?
There's a spotted one.
Oh.
Zebras.
Hello.
You're so, oh, Jen. Feel how
Oh,
soft.
is this one gentle?
It is like so soft.
Bye. It's gorgeous though. Hi.
Hello.
No, I can give you the whole bucket.
Trying to steal your bucket.
Hi.
That was gorgeous. Dad's got a whole herd of them up there.
Hello. Hello. You're pretty. No, I want the pretty one. I want to touch you. Thank you. Thank you.
All the means.
Wow.
You don't. You're so pretty. There you go for being so gentle.
Puppies. Oh, hello, little one. Little one. There you go.
Is there a little one?
Well, it's smaller.
It's smaller.
the one moving around Charlie.
He's like right behind you.
Super pretty.
I'm
It's
sorry,
so
I don't
soft.
have any food. You can decide to.
I feel like you're up to something.
Oh my goodness, you're gorgeous babies.
I feel like this one's up to something. What are you up to? I'm telling you, that one's up to something. Look at his face. He doesn't look innocent like that one. That one's innocent. That one looks
He
like
does look kind of.
I think he's angry.
Angry, babe. Pose with it. Bye, buddy. Here you go.
Oh, there's a good shot.
Okay, bye-bye. Baby.
Hmm?
Bye, sweet babies.
I feel like they're clicked up.
Oh, hey, look over here.
Probably.
Some
Oh, the
wildebeest.
wildebeest.
Look at all the babies.
They're so cute. Oh my gosh, babe.
Another wildebeest.
Hello. Hello. There you go. You're so sweet. Sweet baby. Thank you. Oh, you're so soft. Bye. Get your sweet baby.
Are there any more sequins? Or are those the only?
I know. I'm gonna go back to
I think I have enough llama footage.
right? Mostly just llamas.
Those